Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan katsiran mubarakan fi kama yuhibbuna wa yarda. So today, welcome back to Unit TV, and then hopefully you in good condition and happy situation. We continue to the next materials, but still in OSPF, still in OSPF. And then here you can see, I'm already make 3 area. So the first area is name is no study area with the totally stop area in second, and then the last is stop area. And before I start, let's give thanks to Allah because His blessing and mercies and salatu salam to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, we start. So what is mean of this area? We will apply configuration, make configuration, stop. The previous in AGR3 video, I ever explain about stop, that the stop function is to summarize routing table, and then to make easier avoid CPU overload. But they're different in SPF. You know, SPF have a 3 category of stop. The first, in the right side, there is OSPF stop area. That's the stop area blocks external routes or LSA type 5. We already talked about LSA previously in the previous video. From entering the routing table. So, the area board the router or the ABR, this 5 router 5, injects a default route, just a 000, for all destination outside the area. So in the router 4, I will show you. There is a ERP area with the loopback. A ERP area 10 and USB area 100 with the 3 loopback. So which one the external route? Of course, the ERP. And then for the SPF is inter-area route. Back to Peanut. So after that, there is no LS type of 5 in the external routes. So the topology, especially in router 5, just permit LSA type 1 until 3, intra-area and inter-area. Okay, we will go to the configuration. So for the first, you can make the configuration is the router 1. I will explain what the configuration you should to enter. The first is gateway route to router 2, 12.12.1, and then interface loopback 0, of course. For the loopback for the router 1 is usual 1111. And then in the USPF area, for the USPF area, you have to make the IP loopback start from the 1 until 3, 3+100, 1 until 3 with the prefix is 20. I'm sorry, 32. So we back to the AGRP area, make the loopback 4 until 7 with the prefix SAM, and then the IP SAM a bit different in the octet 4. So after you connect the configuration and the router 2 SAM, you connect the router 1 with this IP, and then the router 3 for connect the router 2 with this IP, and the router 2 connected to router 3 with this IP. Okay, So what the core of the configuration in this stop area? In the router 2, you can do show IP route before you make area 1 stop. You can see this the external route all which one is AGRP, and you can go to do show IP OSPF database. Here in the LSA type 1 there is the IP loopback himself with the neckboard, and in the LSA type 2 is his gateway to the router 2. In LSA type 3 there is loopback router 1, gateway router 2, and then inter area SPF area 100. LSA type 4 there is link ID, just link ID router, and then LSA type 5 there is OSPF redistribute to agent. And then this for the configuration. Waiting until show the notification we show up. After enter this configuration, you can check again in the router tree, and then for the router redistribute, I mean the routing redistribute will become one as a inter area. So O star IA and default route. And then if you show IP database, the IP the LSA type of 5 and 4 get blocked and just show from 1 to 3 LSA. So for the next, go to this total stop area. With the same configuration, total stop area, wait, is different, the stop area. Total stop area, you make the configuration same like the stop area, but you can apply in router 2, and then with the area 1 stop no summary, and if you do show IP route OSPF, it will be same OIA use 2 IP and table SPF. So the total stop area is like stop area but even more restrictive. Block LSA, puts LSA external, and then the summary, the three. So the summary get just show the default route. So the internal route only learn about their own area, just this area, internal route, and a single default route. So the inter area just advertise in this area backbone. Okay, for the next is Nostro Stabi area. Nostro Stabi area will be blocked the external router, low route redistribution for for other routing protocols, but it does not advertise type 5, and they advertise jump to the LS type 7. And then the ABR in the router 2 converts type 7 to type 5 for other areas. Here, the Nostro Stabi area, you can add redistribution RIP in router 3. After you in the router 3 you enter the loopback 1 to 3 is triple 33 1 until 3 with the prefix list is 32. So you can enter the RIP version 2 with the network this one, And then you can enter in the router OSPF3 is redistribute RIP subnets. It's for connected agency the redistribute. So you can configuration area 1 and SSA in router 1, sorry, in router 2 and router 3. Except router 1. And it's different. In router 3, there is inter area. In the router 2, there is external area type 2. But when you ping external area in the router 1 ya, which one is AGRP because it's the redistribute RIP, not AGRP. AGRP are the get height. When you ping, it's really fail. So you can add in the router SPF2 is area 1 and SSH default information originate. So the router, all of the router redistribute will be O star N2 or NFSA the mean. Come default route. So you can make sure ping, and then the router 1 just show redistribute from the router 3. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. Hope you can practice and then understanding what I explained. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.